Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So we are here to learn Node.js in simple and easy way. So please follow me to get to all details about Node.js. Okay, so we are here to learn Node.js in simple way, and I am sharing my real-time experience here. So in this video we will learn how we can create server in Node.js by using Node.js only. So till now whatever we covered up guys, those are the very basic and small details actually which is necessary to start the start or create the server in Node.js. So it is going to be our first video which is related to Node.js server, because we are going to create the server Node.js server, which is a very important and basic thing in development field, in backend development field. So welcome back to my channel guys. Let's start the coding here. So for that I'm going to create a new project here, just new folder, and Node.js phase 2 I'm going to just set the name create server. Okay, so we are going to create a server here. I'm just going inside the folder and cmd, you know what I'm going to do, npm init. Just we need a package.json, so npm init required. So for that it's asking for the package name node server. I'm just skip this process guys by pressing enter. Okay, enter. Now I have to press yes, then it will create this package.json file, right? Yeah, it's there. So now we have to open this project in Visual Studio Code, right? For that Control K and O I have to press and go to the project, and so I think I have missed something. Let's press again control project, then node test Node.js phase 2, right? Create server. Just click on select here, select folder. Okay, then it will open the folder. Ta-da! Yeah, so we have package.json now, and we are going to create the very first app.js file. Our JavaScript main entry file is there. So we just created app.js here, and now I'm going to do one thing inside the package.json. We can run this using node mode, right? So inside the package.json I just simply changed the script start, added this script start, and using the node mode app.js. We already covered this up in our last video, so guys you can go and check out. So app.js file is there. Now we can start the server. To start the server we have to go to there in the package in the project file and location, type cmd npm start, right? So our server will start. Okay, in watch mode. Our server has been started in watch mode right now, and now we have to write code here to create server. So it is very basic programming, very important program for you guys, because every beginner should know this, how to create a server in Node.js. So very important topic guys. So guys, let's start the coding. To create a server in Node.js we have to just use HTTP package. Okay, HTTP is a core module. Okay, we don't have to install any package for that, so from the core we can use. So let's start the coding. Const HTTP, this is a const keyword. Okay, this is a constant variable. I'm using this HTTP variable by using const, and constant it will never change. Okay, then require, we have to require what, we know that HTTP. Then we have to again, we'll take another variable const server. Oh, it's creating the everything by using shortcut, so we are not using this actually. To create manually we have to type HTTP again, then create server, and then we have to pass request response object, right? Request comma request is object arrow function we are going to declare, then response dot write, right? Not writable guys, response dot write. We have to write our message here. This is the response from server. Okay, now again when response has been created and response, we have to end the request. Okay, response dot end, just yeah, like that. And guys, what we did here, we just require HTTP package, which is a core package. Okay, core module or core package you will say. So it is a core Node.js core module inside the Node.js. It's already present there, so we don't have to install any package for that. We just require it. Okay, then what we did here, we have we just keep a server variable, okay, const variable using and HTTP by using this HTTP dot create server. Actually, create server is a method to create server in Node.js. So by using HTTP method, we are using HTTP dot create server method to create a Node.js server. So this is the online code. Okay, this is request and response object we are passing through a function. So yeah, then inside that response dot write, it will write that this is the response from server. So when it will start when the server will create, it will just say this is the response from server. We'll get the server response from server actually. So that time it will write in our page that this is a response from server. Okay, after that response dot end, we have to end the response here. So and we have to after creating this server, we have to listen we need to listen this server in some port. For that we have to do one thing, server dot listen. It will listen my server to what port. I'm just using 2000. Okay, then comma, then again this one, and then arrow function. Okay, and yeah, so here we can type any print or log. So for that console.log we have to write. Okay, then type Node.js is currently active and listening to on port 2000. Okay, so this is the code to create server. This is the few code by using which we can create a server in Node.js. So this is very basic and very simple code, and by using you can create a server, you can start the server. So what it will do, we just explained this part. Okay, so after that we are using the server variable, then listen. We have, after creating this server, we have to actually we have to listen in some port to run the server. Okay, so we are allocating 2000 port number, and this is the arrow function again. So arrow function introduced in Java ECMAScript 6, so you should learn it from there only. Okay, so we'll cover it later in other section. So yeah, this is the server.listen function. Then we just define the port. Okay, in the bracket, in just parenthesis. Okay, this one the parenthesis. Inside the parenthesis we just listen the port, and yeah, let's see what will be the output we are getting here, right? For that just save this file and yeah, open the command prompt, clr and npm start. We have to do, yeah, Node.js currently active and listening on port 2000, right? So our server is running successfully. Okay, so after that, so guys, we have created the server, and this log we can get it, right? So we just created Node.js server, one Node.js server very easily. And but guys, it might be your question might be this, that we are not getting this log, how we can get this? So guys, this is a server created okay, in Node.js. So what we have to do, we just have to open the browser and make sure your server is running here. Okay, this my server is running on the port 2000. So just press in the browser localhost. Okay, and our port is you have to type like that, localhost, okay, colon 2000. Just type localhost colon 2000, and when we enter, this is the response from server. Okay, right? So this is the response from server. We are getting this message only. So in the response object we write, this is the response from the server, and while hitting the URL, project URL, okay, so we are getting this in the response object, from the response object. So this is the response we are getting from response object, right? After that, response ends here. So this is the very basic and very important video, guys, and I hope when you will try now, it will help you. It will you will get excited that, oh, you have created this server, tadan, right? So our server is running, and you can use HTTP. There is no HTTPS because our server is not HTTPS. So when you put HTTPS, it will not work, right? So for that, always use HTTP. here on http://localhost 2000 or whatever your port, so it will show you your output. So yeah, that's all. I'm going to add some comment here so that it will be very understandable, right? So what we are doing, importing the http module, right? And we don't need this comment, we can also add it here, and we are just creating the importing the http module from the core. Okay, from core, and we don't have to require this. And right now we have to add log here, just comment here, creating server. We are creating the server here. Okay, then you have to comment here, server listening to port 2000. Okay, so these are the commented. I have commented the specific according to the function. So yeah, this is the very basic in Node.js. Okay, so how to create server, we cover up this topic. I hope when you try, you will get your output as it is, and in case of any other, you can comment out in the below section so that I can help you as well. I can reach out to you to help you. Okay, so I will definitely respond to your comment. So guys, yeah, as a beginner, this is very huge thing to how to create Node.js. Thank you guys, thank you, and I hope this video will help you a lot. And please do comment, subscribe, and share with your friends so that they can get the real-time experience, right? Thank you guys.